Hey guys, welcome back to Watch It Live. Today we are field testing another item. This is an item that we haven't bought in a long time. You might have seen it in the thumbnail, but this is an item that we haven't bought in a long time, and all of ours are old and has holes in them.
We have holy nets.
We have holy nets. This is a 6-foot cast net. Gotta get a 1/4 inch because we're always catching small bait fish for snappers and stuff. So you gotta get a 1/4 inch so they don't go through.
Cast nets.
Yeah.
Let me see this bad boy.
And this one is a little different. I like the color on this one.
Renz is wearing his pink sweater.
And with the pink cast net, baby. This one has the horn that you can put the rope through, and this one is also. Hold on, let me get this out real quick.
Oh boy, this is gonna be bad.
No, it's not.
No?
What makes you say that then?
I just have a feeling. Honey, what's up?
Hey, baby girl.
Honey, what are you doing? Anthony, what's up, buddy?
Hey.
Hey. All right, yeah, don't worry about that for now, bud.
It's a good net, guys. It's a 6-footer again.
6-foot net. Yeah, I got the specs
brand?
here.
It's an Offshore Angler.
Offshore Angler Ocean Master Premium Cast Net. All right, so we got you can buy this brand at Bass Proshops.
We got this at Bass Proshops, and it was a good price, guys. It was only for $100.
$100.
Usually a cast net like this is, you're talking a lot of money. Is this
Wait,
a 6-foot?
that's not a 6-foot net. That's, yeah, wait, actually, yeah, it is. Well, no, that's got to be 7 foot.
No, this is 8.
That's an 8 foot. They put an 8-foot net in a 6 foot.
Wow, that is.
Oh boy. Well, if you go into a Bass Pro Shop,
That's crazy.
they put an 8-foot net inside of a
guys,
6 foot.
We're not complaining because we're still gonna slay a bunch of fish. And guys, this is our lead weights, so it sinks faster. But let me just feel it on shoulder. I haven't done this in forever. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, no. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
I'm rusty, you guys. Hold on, let me just feel it.
We should have opened it before doing the video, huh?
We really should have. You know, guys. Hold on.
Wait, are we going to return this and get a 6-footer?
I don't know, are we? We need an 8-footer.
We do.
This.
Okay, if you say so.
You know what? Well, we might keep this, we might not, but regardless, it's a great net. We weren't expecting that.
Oh boy.
But
That's what happens when you buy something in a big mega store where people are in and out.
You know what, guys? We're not complaining because we still got a new pink cast net that looks good, and that we are going to slay big fish, and it's a good.
All right, so here's what we got, guys. The reason we were going for a 6-foot net is because that's about the size we want something manageable. If we're going to the beach, we're throwing off of the beach, we're throwing off of shore. You can easily open a 6-foot net. 8-footer requires a little bit more finesse.
But if your name is Lorenzo, fine, you don't.
Yeah, Lorenzo's pancaking 12-footers. But the thing is, guys, the 1/4 inch mesh is very important because, as Lorenzo said, you know let me see the net. Let me see the thing here, guys. The size of you got this. The size of these holes is very important because a lot of nets are 3/8 inch, which are going to be larger, and a small or medium-sized pilchard like that big, when they run into your net at a 3/8 inch net, their head goes through the hole, but then their gills get stuck inside the net, and the bait dies, and it's really annoying trying to take them all out. So when you have a 1/4 inch net, it solves that problem because they don't get gilled.
So at the beach, guys, you're catching a lot of silver size and pilchards.
Yeah.
And again, show a picture of what it looks like when you don't have the proper size net.
Yeah.
It's called. I like to call it a Christmas tree.
The Christmas tree at the beach.
All of the fish, they try to swim out, they try to escape, and they get stuck, and it's called the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
But and regardless, it's still a great net, and I'm sure we're gonna slay a bunch of fish.
I say we keep the 8-footer.
I say we do, yeah.
Because I think we need a 6-footer as well. But Honey wants a little bit of video attention here.
Hey, honey.
Yeah. So the 6-footer is going to be the one we use most often. But we're going to go ahead and keep this 8-footer because we actually do need one.
This will probably be for like mullet and Lake Ida trips.
Yep, exactly.
We need that.
All right. Let's field test it, guys. All right, guys, we're gonna break out our 8-foot net. Lorenzo's been using it, catching lots and lots of fish with it. So he takes pretty good care of the net, so shouldn't be a big deal. But the first thing you want to do is just make sure that there's no knots in it before we start using it. Yep, see, there we go. There's a little knot. Just make sure that that's out. Left-handed. Put the over your left hand. It's reversed if you're doing it right-handed. And just circle up like 2-foot loops. Again, we got this nice big horn that enables the line to pass through really easily. So when you're trying to close the net and you're trying to pull it through, it passes through really easily and it goes down and closes so the fish don't escape. We're using really tiny mesh on this. It's only 1/4 inch. That's really to make sure that we get our small bait fish and don't get them gilled, so we're not killing small bait fish, that they stay nice and healthy when we put them in their live well. So let's bring it out to the dock. We got a real strong headwind in my face, so the likelihood of me pancaking this thing and into the wind is not very good, but I'm gonna give it a shot anyway. So what I do is I grab the net about 1.5 feet from the horn, and then another section down here. So I got everything in my left hand up here, and then about waist high I grab it with my right hand, and then I bring it and I put it also into my left. So now I've got everything in my left hand, and it's just kind of looped around. And then what I do, get a weight also in the left hand, probably do a double loop on that. Now we got it open. We're just gonna need a little bit of chum, and I've got some oatmeal. Put the oats, a little handful of oats, get it in some water, and then we're just gonna throw that out in the area where we're gonna cast. Let it sink. Now it's really important to get good rotation here. So here we go, guys. Ooh. All right, so that's not the best cast, but I already see gold in there. So I believe we have some shiners going in the net. So just gotta get it out of the eelgrass. And oh yeah, I got some shiners. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Money, 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 money. Here we go. So we've got, even with that like subpar cast, guys, we've got some nice big golden shiners like this. We got 1, 2. We got, look, a little bit of a smaller one. Look at the size difference that we got in that one cast. Check that out. 2 different size shiners. Don't you go nowhere. Okay. See if I have anybody out. We got a couple shiners in here. Small guys. Okay, look at this guy. Look how tiny he is. Whew. Little baby shinies. Here we go. Repeat the process, guys. I love the net. It's nice and light. I love how it's a well-made net, because it crunches up really small, so it actually fits in your hand really easily. And so I'm going to show you a different method to throw an 8-foot net. If you're tall enough and you got long enough arms, this works. For some shorter folks, it might be a little bit more challenging. But I'm going to show you what I mean in a second. I'm just going to get a little bit more, some oatmeal here. I'm going to get our chum going. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to double loop it. I'm just going to grab it pretty high up, almost like shoulder height, probably 5.5 feet up, and one weight in the hand. I'm going to get a nice big loop here, and I'm just going to rotate and I'm going to throw it just like this. Let's see what I get. Again, not the best cast. Throwing into the wind is not easy. Let's see. I see shiners in there. Now I got shiners. That's all that matters. Got little shiners. Probably got half a dozen shiners like that. Little guys. Some of them got gilled, but they coming out pretty easy. It's good. Really important to make sure that your knots are taken out of your net before you try and throw again. Got a couple Christmas tree shiners in here. It's not good. We got bluegill, red-eared sunfish. Fair. That's in the zone though, bro. I think you're gonna load up on that cast. Personally. A lot of weeds, huh?
Does this hurt your hands?
Yeah. A lot of weeds.
Oh, I saw one jump out.
What?
Oh,
What jumped out?
Oh my goodness, I loaded up on Silverside. What the? What do you got?
That could just be Ray food, dude.
Ray and ham food?
I mean ham food.
I'll put it in the bucket.
Okay, that guy's getting kept. That's snuff bait right there.
Cats.
That's bait.
Good shiners in there.
Yep. So we got a bluegill.
Right. Look at all this.
Hold on. Let me
What do you think happened?
I don't know. That's where you want to throw. That's the money shot.
One guy.
Oh, hold on, wait. Let the wind pass.
What's it?
Ready? Now's the time. Well, the wind stopped. Go. Okay, that's kind.
That was like a taco.
That was a taco. Yeah, just pull it.
That way.
Oh, yeah. Get him in. Big shiny. Woohoo!
And a small one. And two small ones.
Big shiner, two small ones.
Fish.